Hello, this is John from the Physician Travel Guide and Escape a Travel Podcast. Today we'll be doing a video walkthrough of the Ritz-Carlton Amelia Island. As we take our first left out of the lobby and into the hotel's north wing, we will walk through the retail corridor, housing most of the resort shops, including the Salt Restaurant Boutique featuring salts from around the world, the Signature Shop, a men's clothing store, a Lilly Pulitzer retail location, in addition to a sundry shop offering all of your vacation essentials. After leaving the retail corridor, we make our way past a set of public restrooms and down another hall towards the hotel's signature restaurant, AAA 5-Diamond Award winner, Salt. This fine dining restaurant uses more than 40 salts from around the world to add depth and flavor to coastal-inspired cuisine. Salt also offers an exclusive Dine with the Chef experience. Also along this hallway, we come across the resort's pub and game room designed for the young and the young at heart. We did not have an opportunity to eat at Salt on our most recent visit, but look forward to checking out the menu on our next adults-only trip. As we continue through the north wing of the hotel, we come across the expansive Ritz-Carlton Spa, a wonderful place for relaxing massage or beauty treatment. The resort spa also has an adult-only pool, only available to those staying in club level or those who have a spa treatment. Our last stop in the north wing of the hotel is Coast, the resort's main restaurant. The only dining location serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can find the daily breakfast buffet, in addition to the perfectly prepared land and sea options for lunch and dinner. The terrace at Coast was one of our favorite places to dine. Even during a rainstorm, you are perfectly protected. As we return to the main lobby, we will take a look at the lobby bar. This space is probably our favorite place in the entire hotel to sit and take in the atmosphere. The elegant modern design blends the sophistication the Ritz-Carlton is known for with a fresh ambiance the modern hotel guest is expecting. Make sure to try their famous smoked old-fashioned or try their daily infused 1792 small batch bourbon. We also highly recommend the sushi available from the lobby bar, some of the best sushi we have had in quite some time. The full children's menu is also available in the lobby bar or just outside on the terrace overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. As we head outside of the North Tower, we will walk past the indoor pool currently closed out of an abundance of precaution during the COVID pandemic. Additionally, if we continue to the end of this corridor, we will dead end into the 24-hour fitness center. As we move through the main pool area, we will come across the outdoor jacuzzi. Additionally, you will notice there is plenty of seating arranged around the pool. Coming around the corner, we now approach Coquina. Coquina is the brand new alfresco dining option on property. Ritz-Carlton describes it as gorgeously casual. This alfresco restaurant delights the senses with dinner served beneath the lit palapas, overlooking the resort's dune-lined beaches. Coquina's menu embraces the dynamic flavors inspired by the island's time as a Spanish territory, including ceviche made from freshly caught fish and shareable tapas. A full bar overlooking the ocean features signature cocktails and flavorful sangrias. Coquina was our go-to for lunch. We loved the Mexican chopped salad, the poke bowl, the rice bowls, and the tacos. Everything we ordered at Coquina was delicious. Here, we can see the expansive pool area with plentiful lounge chairs poolside for you and your family. We had no problem social distancing from those in the pool and around the pool. Another great option to social distance poolside are the personal and private cabanas. As we wrap up, I would like to mention just how much my family enjoyed our week at the AAA 5 Diamond awarded Ritz-Carlton Amelia Island. Even during COVID, there was so much to keep our kids busy and entertained. We look forward to our next visit to this beautiful beachfront resort. If you would like to book the Ritz-Carlton Amelia Island, we would be happy to assist you with the process. Simply visit us at physiciantravelguide.com for more information about current promotions and offers. Until next time.